Hey guys, Craig with howtopest.com here with another video on gopher products. Today we're going to talk about gopher baits. We have the Wilco Gopher bait type 2 and we have the Kaput bait. Both these baits are anticoagulants. What that means, it means the gophers have to get enough of the actual poison into their system to actually kill them. So it's usually a consistent feed of 3 to 4 days. That's why you have to have the right amount of poison in each tunnel system so you can get that effect. Both these baits have the same chemical makeup. It's just really a preference thing. They both work well. This comes in a smaller container, so if you just have 1 or 2 that you're dealing with, or you just don't get a lot of gopher activity, this is probably your way to go. If you think you need something a little bigger and they come in pills bigger than this, then I would go with the Kaput. Here we have the funnels. These are different ways of doing it. There's no one way that is right. It's just a preference for you. And here we have the gopher probe itself. You do want some kind of probe, and like in previous videos, we're going to show you that you want to knock down all the mounds first so you're not treating inactive mounds and wasting your time and poison. So we've already went ahead and did that. We've located it down to 2 mounds. We're going to go ahead and we're going to smash the mounds down. And once again, that's so the poison doesn't cave into our tunnel system when we're probing. And then we're going to probe until we find the actual tunnel itself. There we have it right there on that one. We're going to open that up, and then, like I said, if you have a probe, which you can get at Home Depot, your local hardware store, they actually have a container here for the poison. What you're going to do is you're going to unscrew the top of this. You're going to dump your poison into that and then put it back in place, and then each time you turn this, it's going to release poison into the tunnel system. It's usually going to take you anywhere from 5 to 10 to get the amount turns to get the amount of poison you need to put in the tunnel system. Each one of these is going to require half a cup of poison per tunnel set. So what that means, a tunnel set, when you probe a tunnel for a gopher, it's going to be like an upside down T. You're going to have a left and a right. You're going to want to put half a cup into the middle of that for each one of those upside down T's. So if you do it with the probe, you're going to do it like we just spoke of, or talked about, I mean. If you do it the other route by hand, you're going to take where you put this in, you're going to put your funnel in place, you're going to take your measuring cup, or however you want to do it, half a cup, which is what this is, dump it in to your funnel system, pull it out of there, put it back in place, like so, move on to the next one. This is just a wider version of it. If you want to make a bigger hole for yourself, always plug the hole back up when you're done. You want to leave this in there for 2 to 3 weeks. If you have more activity after 2 to 3 weeks, then you're going to want to retreat again. It will hold up in the ground for almost a month. The other thing you want to be concerned about or think about is if you're dealing with pets or wildlife, you definitely do not want to go the poison route. You want to go the trap route because you don't want to affect non-target animals. So that's it, guys. We got Kaput bait and Wilco Gopher type 2. Once again, just a preference same. They have the same chemical makeup. If you have any questions, give us a call at How to Pest or subscribe to our channel to get this video and many more. Thanks.